Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn decimals and place value together, step by step. A decimal shows part of a whole using a decimal point. The first place after the point is the tenths place. 0.7 means 7/10, or 7 out of 10 equal parts. The second place after the point is the hundredths place. Each step to the right is 10 times smaller. 0.7 is 70 hundredths, while 0.07 is only 7 hundredths. Decimals and fractions can name the same amount. 0.3 equals 3/10, and 0.25 equals 25 hundredths. Both ways describe the same part of a whole. Let's read 0.42. The 4 is in the tenths place, and the 2 is in the hundredths place. Together, that is 42 hundredths. The decimal point separates whole numbers from parts. The first place is tenths, and the second is hundredths. As you move right, each place is 10 times smaller. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.